Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Anti-Inflammatory Confidential. If you follow me or if you're watching this, chances are you are into health and wellness just like I am. And you probably understand, even at a very base level, that the foods we eat truly do make up what we look like on the outside and our health and longevity on the inside. So today I want to share with you 10 anti-inflammatory foods. Hey, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this particular video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my video rankings and I'd really appreciate it. Inflammation in your body can be good. You know, you've twisted your ankle or you've done something and it gets red and swollen. That's just inflammation from an injury. What isn't good inflammation is inflammation in the body as a result of just eating crappy foods. That's a highly processed diet of refined flours, refined sugars, chemicals, preservatives, GMO, all the crap that's found in a lot of boxed, prepackaged foods. So what are some of the main signs that you have inflammation in your body from foods? 1, your joints are stiff or they hurt. 2, you keep forgetting things. 3, maybe you don't feel like yourself. Digestive issues, belly fat, weight gain, very difficult to lose weight, difficult to manage your weight. Those are signs of inflammation. Maybe your blood pressure is a bit higher, and maybe you just get hangry. Hangry, yes. Reducing the inflammation in your body is also just as equally a matter of what you are not eating. So cutting out processed, refined, crappy foods from your diet will naturally help reduce inflammation, but there are a lot of delicious foods that you can add to your diet that will greatly help. Okay, number 1, and especially because it's summer, berries, whether they're blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. I always buy organic because they're more nutritious and they don't have pesticides on them. They're full of antioxidants and they all help to reduce inflammation in your body. Have them on non-dairy yogurt, put them in a smoothie. Berries are really easy to eat. Number 2, nuts. Nuts are full of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which help to reduce inflammation as well. My favorites are almonds and pecans. Have whichever nuts you like. Make sure that they're raw and unsalted. Leafy greens, again, you can't get away from it, the healing greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, you know the deal. Leafy greens, super easy to make into a salad. And speaking of salads, number 4, tomatoes. Full of lycopene, also an anti-inflammatory. Number 5, turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. I had never had turmeric until I had this sweet potato and turmeric chai pudding that a woman that I did a blog with introduced me to. She's a healthy lifestyle influencer as well. And I'm gonna put the recipe for that down below. Number 6, cherries and grapes. I mean, come on, if it's this delicious, it can't be that hard. Dark cherries and red or green grapes, whatever your favorite is. Bell peppers, any color, red, green, yellow, full of vitamin C, tons of antioxidants, also good anti-inflammatories. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, Swiss chard, Brussels sprouts, and they are also high in fiber. So not only are they anti-inflammatory, but they're also full of fiber, which helps keep you regular and also helps keep you feeling fuller longer. Next, avocados, nature's butter. Avocados are delicious. I probably have half to a full avocado every day. They're so full of healthy omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats, and help to reduce inflammation. Have them on a salad. I just have it plain sometimes with a little pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, or I will have them on a seeded cracker. Super delicious and easy to eat. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are really easy also. Throw them into a smoothie, sprinkle them over a little non-dairy yogurt or over a piece of seeded toast with some almond butter. That's good too. Okay, those are the 10. A couple other bonuses. Garlic, also a good anti-inflammatory, and beans and legumes, also very good anti-inflammatories. Okay, you guys, I will put a few different recipes that I like personally that incorporate a lot of these antioxidant foods. So just remember, fill your diet with whole natural foods as much as possible. Reduce the amount of processed, refined foods that you eat. We are what we eat, and you have the power to be the best you possible. All right, for all things wellness, style, beauty, fitness, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's that way. Or visit me on the blog, antiparkerconfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.